Hello and welcome, my friends. You are all you are welcome in this new video. Happy New Year. I wish you all of you a very prosperous New Year. So let's, friends, start with our medical dictionary word, that is starting with D. D. So the first one is the dacry or dacryo. That means that the tear or the tear drops. That means the dacrocyte. Dacrocyte is a special type of RBC, the abnormal type of RBC, which appears like a teardrop cell. Commonly we are called that the cell is the teardrop cell. Or dacrocystitis. Dacrocystitis just means that the tear producing sac, that is the lacrimal sac, the inflammation in the lacrimal sac is known as the dacrocystitis. Now the next one is the dactyle. Dactyle does mean the digit. The digit again, here is the digit. The digit does means that the finger or toe. Finger or toe, not a number here. So dactylology is the word for the study of about the finger and toes. Now the next word is the DE. DE is again a prefix. D stands for removal or loss or down from. That is the composition is the decomposition. That is a breakdown of anything. Demineralization, that is the removal of minerals from anything. Or the decalcification, that is the removal of calcium from especially from the tissues, is called the decalcification. Now the dec or deca does stands for the 10. That means that the decameter, decaliter, like that. The deci is the 1/10. That is the decimeter, deciliter, like that. The demi does means that the half. Now next word is the dent. Prefix. The dent or denti or dento does means that the teeth. The dental, that about the teeth is the dental. Dentate does means that the having teeth is known as the dentate. Dentist is the physician or the surgeon who treats about the dental conditions, is known as the dentist. Or dentition. Dentition is the arrangement of the teeth, is known as the dentition. Now it is a combining form. It may be prefix or suffix, that is the derm or derma or dermo or dermato. Does means the skin. The dermal is about the skin. The dermatologist, the doctor who treating about our skin problems, is known as the dermatologist. Dermatitis, any inflammatory condition in the skin, on the skin, is known as the dermatitis, commonly known as. Now the deut or ditto or deutero or duo does means that the two or second or secondary. So this means that the deuteranopia, that does means that the man who cannot differentiate between the yellow, green or red color, commonly we call them as the color blindness. So this condition is known as the deuteranopia. Now the next word is the dext or dextro. That means that the right side. The ambidextrous, who can live both in the water and on the land. Ambidextrous does means that the man whose both hands are equally works. Di means that the two or double. The dimorphic. Morpho is the specific structure is the morphology, and the dimorphic is the twin morphology, is known as the dimorphic. Dia, again a prefix, does means that the through or completely or throughout or apart, through a process, that is the diagnosis, anything diagnosis, diabetes, dialysis. Now the word is the didyme. Didyme, again a prefix, does means that the twin or testes or germine. The epididymal. Now the next word is the DIPL or diplo, does means that the double. All of you heard about that, the diplococcus, a special type of bacteria. Diplegia, when paralysis attacks on both sides of a man, this condition is known as the dysplasia. Dis, D-O-I-S, dis means that this separation or apart, that is the dislocation or disability. Dolic or dolico does means that the long, here is the dolico colon, that is the our colon. All of you know about the transverse colon, ascending colon, descending colon. If the colon length of the colon is much larger, it is known as the dolico colon. Dors or dorsi or dorso, again prefix, does means that the back side. Dorsalgia, algia stands for pain, so dorsalgia is the back pain, is known as dorsalgia. Dorsoventral, ventral does means that the front side, but the dorsoventral is that the front side of the back. So if I round to and show my back side to you, that is known as the dorsoventral side. Depranocyte is a word, does means that the sickle cell, all of you heard about that, the sickle cell anemia. Drom or dromo, does means that the movement or speed. Now the dynia, now a suffix word, dynia, or like that algia, it stands for pain. That is the proctodynia, that is the pain in the rectum region. This is again a prefix. This stands for difficult or abnormal or impaired. Now the dyslexia, you can recall that film about when a small child cannot learn or write or learn anything, that is the dyslexia patient. About the film Tare Zameen Par of Amir Khan, you all of you must watch that film. Dyslexia is a specialized condition when a baby cannot learn or write a thing like the other normal people. Dyspepsia stands for indigestion. Dysphagia is difficult to swallow. Dysphonia is difficult to voice, difficult to make voice. Dyspnea, here P and O should not be pronounced. The word is that the dyspnea. Dyspnea is difficult to breathe. So my friends, we in the next video we meet with the next words, that is the E and F. So today all of you, thank you.